Every day a new technology invented. Most of them are found to be make our life easy and some of them are life saving. So today we will talk about such technologies that are truly life savings. Our team did some research and found 5 life saving technologies from last 5 years. So let's start with the first one. Allied Fireball. Allied Fireball is one of the most revolutionary technology that invented in last few years. It is easy to use and provides permanent protection as it self-activates in the presence of a flame without human intervention. The Allied Fire Extinguishing Ball is a patented invention that has benefited from more than 50,000 quality assurance tests to guarantee its performance. Now the question is how it works. So the combustion may occur when there is a combination of three elements: fuel, oxygen and heat. The allied fireball will activate itself within seconds from coming into contact with flames and release a monoammonium phosphate chemical powder which separates the three elements and extinguishes the fire. Shoes that grow. Sometimes the simplest invention can change millions of lives. That's the goal of the shoe that grows, a leather sandal invented by inventor Kenton Lee that can adjust its size, allowing children in third world countries to grow up without having to go barefoot. The smart shoes, which come in catch all small and large sizes, can grow 5 sizes and last at least 5 years. You won't be able to even imagine ever, but there are over 300 million children in this world who do not have shoes. And to add this number, there are countless more with shoes that do not fit. This shoe is available in two different sizes of small and large. The small size generally fits between the ages of 5 and 9 years, and the large is for ages between 10 and 14 years. The shoe is made up with simple materials like leather, compressed rubber, and snaps. No mechanical parts of gears to break, easy to clean, and easy to use. These life changing shoes are distributed globally through their partner organizations that work around the world. Cardia Mobile. What if I told you that you can record your EKG anywhere, anytime in just 30 seconds? It seems surprised but at the same time fake too. But it is not fake. A company named AliveCore invented an ECG device called Cardia Mobile that captures a medical grade EKG in just 30 seconds. Cardia Mobile is the most clinically validated personal EKG in the world and it is approved by FDA. What you have to do is relax yourself, open the Cardia app and click on the record now option. Then you have to select 6 lead EKG option and put your thumb on the device just like you are seeing in this video. Now you have to touch the bottom side of the device to the bare skin of your left leg. It could be your left knee or left ankle, whichever is more comfortable to you. And in just 30 seconds, you will know how good your heart is working. It detects atrial fibrillation, bradycardia, tachycardia or normal heart rhythm. You can also store your EKG on your phone and email your EKG to your doctor with the press of a single button. Dot Watch. The world's first Braille smartwatch for people who are blind, made by Dot Incorporation, a startup company in South Korea. The Dot Watch allows iPhone and Android smartphone users to receive and view notification on the watch in Braille. The Dot Watch consists of a simple design. On the face of the watch is a Braille display which has 4 cells, and below that are 2 touch sensors that allow users to scroll through and read each notification. The right side of the watch has 3 controls: the select button, the dot crown dial, and the home button. These controls are used to operate the watch's different functions. The watch is charged via a USB charger which is included with the device. The Dot Watch works by pairing it with a smartphone via Bluetooth. Users must first install the Dot Watch app, available in the iTunes and Google Play App Stores. Next, they have to create an account by registering their email, name, and creating a password. The watch can then be paired with the smartphone. Once paired, users can begin receiving notifications from their phone, tell the time and date, and use the other features. From the app, individuals can configure the watch's setting, check the battery status, set an alarm, and use the Learn Braille function, a feature which allows users to send a message to the watch in Braille. The Dot smartwatch is without a doubt an innovative device for persons who are blind, who will now have a new option for accessing information on their smartphones. Watergate Dam. Watergate is a flexible emergency flood dam that harnesses the power of floodwater to automatically fill, unfold, and stabilize itself. Watergate is also the latest generation of cofferdam. It simplifies river works, quickly and effectively combats pollution, and makes better use of natural water points for firefighting. Watergate can be installed on any kind of terrain. It is inexpensive and protects the environment. So, how it works? Water rushes into the dam and slams the bottom of canvas against the ground. Archimedes' thrust lifts the upper retention canvas. The friction forces contain the hydrostatic thrust. Without anchoring, it only takes 5 minutes to install 200 meters of protection. Watergate comes in ready to install rolls. The Watergate can be used in multiple situations like flood control, creating reservoirs and dams, waterway diversion, and even chemical split containment. So these are 5 life-saving technologies that are really appreciable. Hope you have enjoyed our video, and if it is true, hit the like button, share your feedback, and subscribe your channel Talk with Tech.